Oboe reed care. Essential tips for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific and interesting topic, oboe reed care. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about different phrases in English, this video is for you. We'll break down what it means and how to take care of an oboe reed effectively. So, let's dive in. In this section, we'll discuss what an oboe reed is and its role in music. An oboe reed is a small, delicate piece of cane that vibrates to produce sound in an oboe. Understanding its structure and function is crucial for proper care and maintenance. Now, let's talk about why oboe reed care is important. Proper care extends the life of the reed and ensures the best sound quality. We'll discuss the consequences of poor maintenance and why it's essential for every oboist to know these tips. Here, we'll cover basic care techniques for your oboe reed. This includes how to properly store the reed, how to clean it, and how to handle it to prevent damage. Remember, a well-cared-for reed can significantly improve your playing experience. For those looking to go a step further, this section provides advanced maintenance tips. We'll delve into methods like adjusting the reed for better sound, troubleshooting common issues, and when to know it's time to replace your reed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you understand not just the phrase, oboe reed care, but also gives you practical knowledge about caring for an oboe reed. Remember, taking good care of your instrument's components is key to a great musical experience. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos, and happy playing!